Have you noticed the unusual sentiment around inflation? We're seeing a sentiment score of -0.13, which stands out against the historical baseline. This is not just a minor dip. It indicates a notable shift in how people feel about inflation, especially given the momentum of +0.75 over the past 24 hours. With 20 semantic clusters, this API returns a detailed breakdown of public sentiment, giving you insights into the underlying themes driving these feelings. For instance, you could leverage this data to enhance your economic forecasting models, or tailor your investment strategies based on real-time sentiment shifts. Ready to dive deeper? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. This is where your data analysis journey begins.